Hey guys, how's it going? Mr. DeKoger again. I sure hope you're not tired of hearing my voice, but this one is your tutorial video for how to record your FlipGrid. So there are two FlipGrids you could possibly make. One would be for surface area and the other one would be for volume, but the instructions for how to do both are pretty much the same. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to go to flipgrid.com and you are going to log in. You can log in with your Google. Mine's a little bit different, but it'll still look the same. Once you get into FlipGrid, you will see an assignment there, okay? We're gonna wait for my screen to load. That assignment, it may be named something different if you have Miss Huvelman, but for me, it's gonna be called FlipGrid Surface Area, and then I'll also have another one called FlipGrid Volume, all right? For right now, I'm gonna click on FlipGrid Surface Area, and what you really care about is down at the bottom here where it says record a response, okay? So if you press record a response, hold on, wait for my screen to load. This screen's gonna pull up. Here's my face on it. You don't really want to see your face though. Instead, we are going to record our screen. Okay. Now, I'm already recording my screen with something else, so I don't want to record it twice because that might mess it up. But as soon as you press start screen recording, it is going to pop up with whatever is on your screen. Okay. Now, how you get to the problems is like this. On your tic-tac-toe project, there is a link to slides. There is a link to a surface area slides, and then there's also a link to a volume slides. Let's say you're doing the surface area slides. They look like this. So you would go to your first problem here, okay? You would turn on your screen recording through FlipGrid, and then you would start screen recording you doing this problem. Now you can't draw on these slides, but what you can do is you can insert a text box, and inside that text box, you can start, so this is surface area, so you may want to start by like writing formulas for how you find certain rectangles and squares and triangles and things like that. Then, your next step, you could be writing in some numbers of what you're multiplying together, whatever it is, okay? But with those text box, that is how you show your work, okay? So make sure you're doing that. What you're going to do by the end of this is you will have your own copy and you will go through all three of these questions and you will tell me the surface area of all of them, okay? When you're finished, you're going to go back to FlipGrid and you are going to stop the screen recording and then it will pop up. You can submit it as an assignment and then we can see it. Okay. Like I said, if you're doing volume, the slides, they look a little bit different, just like different problems and things like that, but it's still the same process. You're going to want to open up FlipGrid. You are going to want to screen record. After you're done screen recording, you're going to submit it as an assignment and you will be good to go. All right. If you guys have any questions, please let us know and we'll talk to you later.